Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rent a car in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And if you scroll down at the additional services section, click on the rent a car button. So first you have to set the airport, or like the city or the area where you are. So then you have to set the date, both the date from and the date to, and then you have to set the region of residence, and then you have to set if you're a classic customer, an elite plus, and then you have to take if you're over 30, and if you're not, then you have to set the date of birth. That's the rule, and then just click on the find cars button. And as you can see, the application found 9 vehicles available, so now you have to just choose the most optional one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.